Hello everyone, this is QH from Bitcoin Wallet SG. So we have received some questions from our audience on whether they need a hardware wallet. So I'd like to break this down for the listeners and the viewers here. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you do not have a lot of asset invested, you can try out the free wallets, software wallets like MetaMask and Rabby. These wallets are free and the features and functionalities is almost the same as using a hardware wallet. The only difference is that for software wallet, the private keys are stored in the device where you install the wallet. So in this case, it will usually be on your laptop or on your desktop, and this is more risky. And when attackers get compromised, let's say your device get compromised, you will lose your funds. So there are two types of users that I would recommend getting a hardware wallet. The first one is long-term investors. So long-term investors have a horizon of 5 to 10 years, and usually is a significant amount of money if you're looking at this horizon. So you need a hardware wallet because if you have checked over the past 5 to 10 years, there are a couple of exchanges that went down, went insolvent, lost all your funds. Do you want to be in that position whereby your investment goes to zero and it's not the fault of yours? And the next type of users that will benefit greatly from a hardware wallet is people that want to get involved in Web3, DeFi, basically on-chain activities. So you like to farm a yield, you like to buy NFTs, and you like to take part in Web3 games and things like that. You'll be using a crypto wallet. Either way, is usually you can use a software wallet, but if the amount is big, the amount is huge, it will be better for you to use a hardware wallet. So by having a hardware wallet, it helps to prevent 99% of the risk out there, because a private key is stored in the hardware wallet, in the physical device. So hackers, they are not able to get hold of this private key, even if they have compromised your devices. So just a quick summary. Two types of users that will recommend getting a hardware wallet. Firstly is the long-term investors, and then secondly is if you are going to participate in Web3 and on-chain activities, it's highly recommended to get a hardware wallet, and you can get it from bitcoinwallet.sg. Okay, thank you.